Hey guys, and welcome back to Tradingfyive. This is the channel that provides you various informative content on stock market and technical analysis. And our today's video is based on a price action strategy, a strategy that will help you identify whether the market will go bullish or bearish. It will help you understand when to buy, when to sell, where to buy or where to sell, where to place the stop loss, where to exit, everything. And in this video, we will learn about basic price action and how we can implement that to create a strategy, to create a setup. So make sure you're watching this video till the end. Do not skip this video. And one more thing, if you are new to this channel or not yet subscribed to this channel, make sure you do it so you won't miss any video, any update regarding the stock market on our channel. So let's first start with price action. You see, price action is completely a foundation of technical analysis. It helps us understand the market, the movement in the market, the continuation or reversal in the market, just by analyzing the price or the movement made by the price. And this is what is called as price action analysis. And a basic concept in price action is identifying the trend. Now you see, there is trend everywhere. There is a trend in fashion, like certain fashion or a certain style go in trend. And also there is a trend that is followed in many industries. Just like them, there is a trend in stock market, a trend in technical analysis. And one thing you must remember is that in the stock market, in technical analysis, trend is your friend. What say? Trend is your friend. Just remember this. And just like a friend helps us in many aspects of our life, the trend also helps us while analyzing the market. It lets us understand the direction of the market, which way the market is moving, how far will it move, will the market take a reversal or continue its trend. Every of these things we get to understand just by analyzing the trend of the market. And if you have watched my previous videos, you will understand that there are three types of trend in the market. First is the uptrend, next is the downtrend, and last one is the sideways trend. These are the three types of trend that occur in the market. And now let's start with uptrend. Okay, and when the stock is moving in an upward direction, it is said to be in an uptrend. Yeah, it's obviously quite understandable from the name itself that uptrend means that the trend is up, the trend is bullish. And when the stock is in an uptrend, it forms a pattern which is called as higher high and higher low. Yeah, that's the pattern we use to identify an uptrend and recognize a bullish move in that stock. Now as you see on your screen, that's a high which is made by that stock. And similarly, a low is made by that stock. Now I hope you are familiar with the term high and low. These are very basic technical terms. You will find any video on my channel regarding them. Now as you see, when the stock forms a low, what it will do is that it will show a bullish move and break the high, forming a new high which is quite higher than the previous high, and it is called as higher high. And when it again forms a low, it is called as higher low, because this low is comparatively higher than the previous low. Yeah, that's the higher high and higher low pattern. And until the stock is forming the pattern of higher high and higher low, we can say that the stock is in uptrend. Like we simply get to understand that the stock is continuing its uptrend. And once it breaks the pattern, once it breaks the higher low, there can be a reversal, there can be a kind of reversal in the market. Okay, now let us see how can we buy the stock when it is in uptrend. You see every of these lows that are formed by the stock. That's where we will look for buying the stock. That's when the stock takes a support on the low and shows somewhat bullish movement. That's gonna be a buy signal. And we'll place the stop loss just below the low, so that our risk is very minimum, but we can expect a very potential reward against it. So that's how strategically you can trade when the stock is in uptrend. Now let's understand about the downtrend. Now when the stock is falling, when the stock is showing some bearish moment, it is said to be in a downtrend. And just like when the stock is in uptrend, it forms higher high and higher low pattern. When the stock is in downtrend, it forms a lower high and lower low pattern. Now as you see on your screen, that's a high and that's a low made by the stock. Now after making an high, what the stock does is that it breaks the low and forms another high which is lower than the previous high, and it is called as lower high. And just before the lower high, it will form a low which is comparatively lower than the previous low, and it is called as lower low. And that's the pattern of lower high and lower low that the stock forms when it is in a downtrend. As you see on your screen, that's how we identify a downtrend, basically continuation in a downtrend. And if the stock breaks the higher low by showing some bullish move, then we can expect a reversal in the market. Now in the case of downtrend, we will look for selling, that is shorting the price, when it takes the resistance on the high, and our stop loss will be just few points above the high. And this trade will go like a minimum risk and very potential profit. So that's how we trade using a setup, using a simple strategy in maybe downtrend or an uptrend. It's nothing like we are trading on the basis of news, on the basis of tips or gut feelings. We are doing our own analysis. We are doing our own research to make out the trades. And that's how you can trade fearlessly. You can get more confidence in your trade emotionally as well as psychologically. That's why there has to be a setup, there has to be a system in the center while trading. Okay, now let's understand this sideways trend. Now you see, the sideways trend is when the stock is neither in an uptrend nor in a downtrend. It is just moving in a pattern, in a box like pattern as you see on your screen. It's like somewhat going in a linear manner. Neither the bulls are taking control nor the bears are taking control. Yeah, just like as you see on your screen, it's stuck out in a box, a complete consolidation. And in the case of sideways, I mostly avoid trading. I will either wait for a breakout from the support or a breakout from the resistance so that I can make out some trades. Or what I can do is sell the call and sell the put in options by using the premium decay in my favor. But that's a complete different story of option trading. I will make a separate video on it. Okay, so thank you for watching this video till the end. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Share this video as much as possible and do not miss such many content on the stock market as well as technical analysis. Subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video.